catch 'em all.
Okay, another quick upgrade. Let me check this out. One thing that really irritates me about motorcycles is this. We don't drive a damn scooter. Even a scooter horn should sound louder than that. So I'm about to upgrade my horn. Alright, so this is the horn I got to install, same as on my ZX10. It's the Denali SoundBomb Mini horn. So it should be relatively easy to hook up. Just with Aprilia, of course, you gotta move everything out the way. It's not easy. This is the horn. Right there. Huh. Made in Italy. How ironic. So, my location is under here, right there. Which is right up under the steering damper. So I had to move this panel out the way with a bunch of screws. So we do a before and after test. Alright, so we got the old horn off. This is it right here. This is how it mounts right here. Got the new one right there. It's pretty good. Now hook up the wires here. I've already tested them, so I know which wire goes where. Oh, okay. Still hook up the body part. So that's the sound now. Much better. Okay, oil change time on Aprilia. Got the drain plug loose. Let that drain out. The oil. And I got the trying to record with one hand. And all right, here we go. It's so much easier. The oil change so much easier on the ZX10. But that's Japanese versus Italian. Alright, so we got some Liqui Moly to go in. 10W50. And V4 engine. And we got the oil filter. There you go. And put a little oil in the filter. You don't have to fill it up all the way. That's enough. Put oil around the seal. Always want to make sure you don't double seal your oil filter. So this is the old one, and I can clearly see that rubber gasket is on there, so we good. Also check here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, so we got the filter put on. Just hand tighten. Putting the drain plug back in here. It's got a nice magnetic pickup on the end. Just snug, it's fine. Alright. I can get this body panel on and put the oil in. I like this little spout they have on here. Put the oil in. Clean all this up. Nothing got on the exhaust, so that's good. Alright, that's good enough. I'm gonna recheck the dipstick here in a minute. Okay, see what we got. Okay. Yep, now is where it should be. Kind of hard to see in the reflection of the light, but right where we're supposed to be. So yeah. Alright, put these panels on and finally take her for a spin. I think I'm gonna take her for a spin. It's nice outside, so take her for a nice little spin. Okay, there's the dipstick. Pulled it out, wiped it off. We'll insert it here and see what we got. Okay, so actually he's right in a safe zone, but near the low end. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest in. Just a little bit, and we'll be done. Let's put the rest in here. Just a little bit anyway.